So those of you that like to come out here, Gilbert, giving you a heads up. It is $50 now. We love launching at Gilbert, so $50 on the weekends, it's not that bad. Familia!
Hey, how you doing? Everything good? Have fun?
Man, you too, man. Y'all going fishing? Y'all going to sandbars?
Yeah, we're gonna fish.
You're gonna fish?
I don't know if the fish is gonna be there for us, but
Home. So $50, hey, honestly, not bad, but for those of you that are used to paying 30, it's like, ah, man, really? Because this is a very popular ramp. Everybody comes out here, and this place gets pretty packed quickly. Okay, so we're gonna launch the boat and get out on the water. And today we're gonna be going to Rodriguez Key, and you're watching Two Bears Outdoors. Say hi, baby.
Sorry.
And we all know Gilbert is now open, and it's good to see everything just back up and running. All right, so we made it through Adams Cut. You can see the wind is picking up. All right, guys, we made it to Rodriguez Key. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna anchor and have some breakfast. That was graceful. Gonna pull it to deeper water. Find our spot. Oh, and I lost my sunglasses. Well, guys, we had a breakfast, but the water's a little bit rough. It's not fun out here at all. But on a beautiful day when there's not a lot of wind, this area is amazing. You got the cool water from the Atlantic, and just the scenery itself is gorgeous. Right now, it's just, I don't know, we're getting beaten up to death here. So we're gonna head on out. Guys, we're out here at Ness Key, and as you can see, we've got a lot of people. Seems like everybody's keeping distance pretty well.
Sort of.
Alright, so it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just finished having our lunch. Alright folks, we're coming back from Ness Key, and we're getting ready to pass Gilbert, and they're starting to put the caution tape on. I have a feeling they're going to shut this down again.
Yeah, they just reopened everything on June the 1st, and now we're almost to the end of July, or at the end of June, getting ready to go into July 4th weekend next weekend, and they put caution tape back up again today, just since we've been gone. And we saw an article or two saying that they might close the keys again starting July 6th. Well, we're gonna watch the sunset, but if you notice, if you can tell in the video, the sky looks kind of hazy, and for the past week, I guess, supposedly they're saying that we are experiencing this big dust cloud. It's called a Saharan dust cloud that came all the way across the ocean from over there to over here. So it's causing us to have some pretty odd looking skies, and I know in some cities they're saying to be careful because it could be so thick that it could mess with the air quality.